Want to open Control Center on your iPhone without touching the screen? There's a really cool hidden feature that lets you do this. First, open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then tap on Touch. Now scroll all the way down and select Back Tap. Here, you'll see two options, Double Tap and Triple Tap. You can choose whichever one you prefer. Let's say you pick Double Tap. Now, scroll through the list of actions and find Control Center, then tap on it. That's it. You're all set. Now, go back to your home screen and simply double tap the back of your iPhone. You'll see the Control Center open instantly. No need to swipe or touch the screen at all. This is super useful if your screen isn't working properly or if you just want quicker access. And you can always come back and change it to another action anytime.